Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you are living good and fine. Myself, Angel Miss from Kingston Preschool. Today, I am going to teach you all phonic sounds of alphabet P, Q, R, S. So, now let's start our lesson. P is for pen. Pen. P is for parrot. Parrot. P is for pen. Pen. P is for parrot. Parrot. So kids, what is the sound of P? Yes, the sound of P is P. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for quill. Quill. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for quill. Quill. So kids, what is the sound of alphabet Q? That is Q. Okay. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rose. Rose. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R is for rose. Rose. So kids, what is the sound of R? Yes, that is R. S is for Caesar. Caesar. S is for sun. Sun. S is for seesaw. Seesaw. S is for sun. Sun. So kids, what is the sound of S? Yes, the sound of S is S. So kids, now I hope you all have learned the phonic sounds of alphabet P, Q, R, S. In next video, we will be learning the next few more alphabet sounds. So till then, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in next video. Bye. See you soon.